Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a weather stripping on the rear door on the 2007 Dodge Nitro. It doesn't matter if you got the Nitro. It doesn't matter if you got the Heat or you got the Dominator. Depending on where in the world you are, it's all the same vehicle. So if you follow the channel, this flew off sometime a year or two ago when I did the review of how it's been with this car. I'll leave a link for that video in the description below. But it's simple. So if you're going to install it, you just sit there, push it down, as so, and you hear a click. I'm not sure if the microphone would pick that up, but now it's secure. So if you had to remove it, the way I found is lift this up and then get like a pry tool or something and push on this portion, on the back portion of the weather stripping. So you want to push back towards the window and gently lift upwards. That's so. I'm trying not to hit the camera too. There you go. And you just keep doing that all the way across. And voila, comes right off. It takes a while, but you want to be gentle to where you're not breaking this lip that's on here. So now that I showed you how to remove it, to put it back on, push down, and you hear like a clicking noise. Let's see. I gotta push it back soon. I'll make sure it's fully secure because I don't want this one flying off like the original one came off. I don't even know when it came off or what. I just noticed that when I was washing the car, it was gone. And I'm just now replacing it. I think the microphone could have picked up that click. So, secure, ain't gonna be going nowhere. But I'm not sure exactly what happened with the previous, but that's how you install and remove a weather stripping on a Dodge Nitro, Dodge Heat, Dodge Dominator. It got multiple different names for this specific model, but in the United States it's mainly called the Nitro, but it got other names in it. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one. Peace.